Hi folks, it's Danielle here from Naturally at the Wren's Nest. I'm just popping on to do a little video for you today about making a flower infused oil, and I'm going to be working with dandelions today. So I thought what I would do before I show you how to do the oil is I would show you some dandelions. I have a little area out over my back wall here and I have tons of dandelions growing. So I thought I'd show them to you because some people might not be 100% sure about what dandelions are or which ones they are. So I'm going to show you so it makes it easier for you to identify them. Be very sure when you're picking dandelions that you pick them in an area that you know hasn't been sprayed, like sprayed with chemicals or sprayed with weed killer. You don't want to be making oils or making anything with flowers or plants that have been sprayed with chemicals. It just kind of defeats the purpose of making them yourself. So make sure you're picking from an area that you know hasn't been sprayed, and don't collect all the dandelions in one spot either. Make sure you're leaving some for the bees and the animals. But I'm just going to flick the camera back around and show you the dandelions. So this is my little patch here out over my back wall. I tend to move stuff from my garden that's kind of not working anymore out over here. It's an old right of way down along the back of the cottages, so there's nobody else using it. So it's a perfect little extra bit of garden space for me. So I have some of my old lavenders and there's some old bulbs out here. And I've gorgeous foxgloves and lovely verbena that grows here as well. But anyway, today we're looking at dandelions. So what I have here is a little box that I am going to put them into. This box goes into my hot press then for a few days. But just to show you the dandelions, so these here are dandelions. So it's that lovely yellow sunny flower that you see everywhere at the moment, and there is so much of it out at the moment, and it's got a very jagged leaf. So if you're not 100% sure that you're looking at the right flower, have a look at the leaf. The leaf is very distinctive. It's got a very toothed sort of not texture is the wrong word, you know what I mean, but it's very jagged. So if you see a yellow flower and you're not 100% sure if it's a dandelion, take a look at the leaf, and you'll be guaranteed then. And you know what, these are great to eat. Dandelion leaves are full of nutritious goodness for you, and at this time of the year the young dandelion leaves are gorgeous in a salad, or you can make a pesto. But anyway, that's the dandelion leaf, that's the dandelion flower, and all I'm doing today is I'm just taking the heads. There's loads more buds on this, so there'll be lots more coming on that. And I don't take all the flowers from one area. What I tend to do is maybe take one or two from a particular plant. Now this is a big plant in here. I have mint and some nettle growing here as well. This is a big plant and there's lots more buds coming on it, so I can take a few of these, and I'm just taking the heads, that's all, and they'll go into my little box. A few more here. I tend to go for the big ones that are well opened, and they've had some sun on them already today, so they're gorgeous, aren't they? Look at that, isn't it just beautiful? I saw something very unusual the other day as well when I was sitting in the garden. I saw some little sparrows picking the petals off the dandelions and eating them. I'd never seen that before. It was new for me. So I won't take them all, although I took a good share of these from out here the other day and they're all opened up again. Tons of them growing at this time of the year, so I won't take them all, though I will leave some for the bees as well. But they're your gorgeous dandelions. So get yourself a little tray or a little box lined with some kitchen paper and pop them into that.